This vehicle sits pretty low for Nigerian roads, so I'm going to try and install these coilovers. So when I'm going to rugged terrains, I can raise the vehicle just a little bit and lower it at any time. So we are attempting to change it and see how it goes. Okay, we're trying to do this one because this one is actually bad. It makes a lot of noise when I'm driving. So we're going to put a new one. It doesn't. I'm going to change this airbag as well. It leaks. It does leak. A lot of times when we put it on, it comes down after going up a little bit. So I'm gonna attempt to change it as well. So those are the jobs we are doing today. Changing the airbag. I'm gonna change that shock, change that bag, and see how that goes. I know it's not gonna be easy, but we'll see. All right. I got the AC working. The Freon was low, so we added some Freon and everything. So now the AC is cooling very well, very cool. So we good on the AC. We're gonna change the oil filter today. I did the oil change yesterday when we were doing the repair. And this is the tank. I had to purchase this. You know, luckily for me, they had it at a parts store here in Enugu. We went there and we bought a new tank and I got it put on. So that is fixed. That's where I was losing a lot of coolant. So no more coolant losage. So that's good. The engine is running beautiful. The next thing I think I need to do is change this. I'm gonna check this air filter, see if it's dirty, and I'm gonna change it as well if need be. Right now we are working on the shock. That's the most important thing to me right now. If we can get that thing fixed, that'll be perfect. So we gotta take out this and then so gauge for yeah. Oh, that line there, man. Right. So this is how you remove the shock on the E39 wagon. You take off that plastic there. This plastic here. Once you take it off, you expose the shock strut mount, and this is the airbag. There's a line here. You're gonna disconnect and then press here and then twist it. It should come out. So we are working on it right now. You can see. Take it off there, and then you take it off there, and it should come out. I have engineer Enugu on deck.
I put my jack. Okay. You lose go the one under. Oh yeah. Whoop here. You whoop here. Can't get by the boy, my now,
this is what you do. So he's pushing in, huh? Okay, you jack again push in. Oh,
you should not
push good here.
Shock me with problem.
Yeah, I'm on.
Oh, Nene.
Oh,
you should have shock away problem.
Yeah, I have a because.
Oh, shock the week, maybe a balloon.
Oh, yeah, I know about the week. I mean, I change here, let's more always pay. Since say go take here. All right. We found a way to use a screwdriver. Put it on the corner here. This is the removing the air suspension. So we have to let the air out, okay?
Okay.
So let the thing, we can relieve all the pressure there. That will help get this bag out.
Okay.
Hide my face. I don't want to have a lot of pressure in there.
Sir?
This is it not 10 flat? Is this?
Not 10 flat, but you can't get anything there. No, you can't put 10. It's not going to go before. All right, here it looks. Of course, this one is BMW. It's a bit bigger. It's bigger than our old one. Yeah, this is definitely bigger. Yeah, this is bigger. But as long as it works, that's what matters. This one is the Chinese one.
Are you going to lose it?
Yeah, we're gonna lose it. Yeah, lose that. Keep this one just in case if it doesn't work, you can still use it. And put it through here too. Yeah. Take away 10 tight to see you can. Don't tight it too much. Hold on, let me do it. We're gonna tighten that. GG. GDC.
Okay. As long as I can.
What's yours? Yeah, come on, Eba. Hold on. Let me guide it. Where is that screwdriver? Okay. All right, push up. Now push up a little more. Now twist. Yeah, that way. Yes. Keep going. Twist. Yeah. Twist kuobe. Ozuna urugo. Odo eze na okpuru ya. Holding it up here while he try and sit it on the underneath. Okay, jacka pressure up. Obaego? Okay. Alright.
I think it's when the
Let me see.
When they pump it, will lap.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, once you pump, you'll lap. There's no air on it, man. So we need shocks. So we know we are done. We're gonna get the new shocks, install it, and hopefully it works. Hopefully it works. Got the E39. We got the shocks, job done, and all the service is done. And just got it here for the car wash. Look at this bad boy, man. Looking nice. She's looking good again.